Well, greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Now we're going to have the drawing for the Craftsman utility knife with the blade. Ooh, one blade. Awesome. Anyway, let's get going. And then I'm going on, I think it was minitool.com. It's a online random picker. So, we have PMP 4909. You are the winner. Please contact me at toolandhandchannel@gmail.com. Have it right down here. And what you'll need to do is you email the channel. I will give that email a keyword. You will post that keyword in this video to make sure it's you. And then from that point, I'll know it's you. And I will get your information to send you your prize. No cost to you. So, that's toolandhandchannel@gmail.com. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and all that jazz.